Now I'm recording. Let's rock and roll. Okay. Does this project look familiar? No, it wouldn't. I changed the name of it. How about? Does this give us any clues? Anybody remember this project? What? This was the broken project. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly debug it. And no, I'm kidding. Of course I'm kidding. So okay, I'm going to CD into the CD into the front end, and we'll go to the back end, and we have nodemon. I'll just say start or is that what I run? It's been a while since we've been in the back end, right? I don't have any modules installed, I guess, so I'm just going to npm install. Sorry about that. Well, it's node start. I'm in the development phase, so I'll probably just use nodemon. Remember, this is last unit.
Yeah, I thought it was nodemon with the name of the file.
Yeah. Oh, you're probably right. Good memory. Thank you for correcting. Just say that. I was like,
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
No, be confident. I don't remember everything. No, nice call. Oh, nobody else jumped on me. Rafid is awake. What time did you wake up today?
Well, tell me what time I went to sleep.
Oh, he's still awake from yesterday. That's how you got that back end from memory. Okay, thank you for that. That would have been a little confusing. We have been living in the front end for too long. Time to get back. So just a reminder of what this application was, right? Let's just quickly glance through it. We had our schema, which we had some users. We had some cars. We added some values into our users and our cars, right? We created some queries. We had car queries and user queries. Let's just take a look at some of these so we can. And then we had a nested query because that has to do with our nested route. Oh man, the computer's already freezing up. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Probably because I still have all those videos on here from yesterday because I'm uploading them now. Okay, here we go. It's just moving slow, so it's hard to control the mouse. Okay. Well, maybe I won't use the mouse much. So we have our get all users. Anyway, we remember all of these. Yes? Do you need me to go too far into going over what this project was? Okay, so let's open up the app file. Enough with the mouse. In our backend. And we were listening before to a route, our port, which was 3000. I'm going to make the change today to 3001. Okay, so no big deal, just because React runs on port 3000, unless there's something already running on that. But I kind of want to always know what port React runs on and what port my backend's running, so that way I have more control. That's all. Okay, so I've updated that. Let's close the back end. So before we had this little front end, I don't think it did too much. So let's just copy the path and remember. All right, this was the path, and we made a select bar with all of our people. Increase the size of that. What? Oh, maybe I didn't do it. Is that possible? Oh, all my calls in the front end are to 3000. Oh my god, this mouse is Let's just fix that. $3,000. Okay. There we go. Okay, so now it's up to 3,001. Okay, so we got all of those cars, and then we had these choose a person, and we could then choose people and get that person's cars. Right? We kind of remember looking at this project. Look at that. Okay, so let's set this up for React. Okay, so instead of my front end folder having just an HTML and a CSS, I'm instead have a front end folder. Right now I'm calling it React front end. In your project, you should just call it the front end. I'm just doing that so that you can see the difference. I have already built a React app in here. So I did create React app front end. And so let's also start something in the front end. CD front end. There is a way to make a package JSON at the root and start both servers at once. Let's click concurrently, but I'm not setting that up right now. It's not too important. Okay, CD / React front end. npm start. That one is npm start, right?
Maybe.
God, I hope so. I hope so. Maybe we can update this. Let's see where this opens. This computer is glitching out right now. I'm trying.
Oh, really?
Yes. It's alright. Oh, I built it on my computer here for some reason. Okay, there it is. So first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of all that junk, as always. So I don't need any of these things open. Okay, let's just open up app.js in the front end. Wrong app. Alright, and we can go ahead and get rid of all this stuff. Okay, and just hello. Make sure everything's connected. I'm not going to worry about the styling right now. It just doesn't matter. And I'm just going to do everything in the app because the whole point is just to show how it connects. So, okay, so in my package JSON in my front end, I'm going to make a slight change inside of here. Scroll down. I think it goes here. So I'm going to add a comma. I'm going to give it a proxy. And my proxy is going to point to HTTP. I think is it S or what's the localhost? HTTP :/ this localhost, right? And then I'm pointing to the port that I want to reference. I think that's it. I can double check on one of my previous projects.
That goes all the way at the bottom.
I believe so. Just gonna double check. Yep, this should work. Okay, so now that I've added a proxy, yeah, Brandon.
Can we do the thread at every time?
In your React app? Sorry? This is the front end package JSON. So this is telling us where to look when we make an Axios call without without the whole address. So I'll show you what I